Welcome, dear students. I, Dr. Neelam Yadav, Assistant Professor at ABES Engineering College. I'm preparing this lecture video as an introductory section for the playlist of the upcoming videos, which will be including the following contents. The contents which will be covered in upcoming videos are atomic and molecular structures, and then chemistry of advanced materials, which will be including liquid crystals, graphite and fullerene, nanomaterials, and green chemistry. The first part of the upcoming video will be including molecular orbitals of diatomic molecules. These diatomic molecules will be including homodiatomic molecules as well as heterodiatomic molecules. And we'll be discussing about the molecular orbital theory and also the formulas which will be used to find out the bond order of the diatomic molecules and their magnetic characteristics. Next section will be including liquid crystals, their introductions, their types, and the applications of liquid crystals. Also, this will be including the industrially important materials used as liquid crystals for engineering. The other topic which will be included in the upcoming playlist will be graphites and fullerene. These topics will be including introductory part, their structures, their properties, as well as their applications. Next section, which we will be including in our upcoming playlist, are nanomaterials, the introduction to these nanomaterials, their preparation techniques, characteristics of different nanomaterials, and their applications. We'll be taking some of the examples. We'll be including carbon nanotubes as one of the examples for nanomaterials. Next section, which will be included in this lecture videos, is introduction of green chemistry, in which we will be discussing about the 12 principles and importance of green synthesis, green chemicals, synthesis of typical organic compounds by conventional as well as green route method. And the examples which we will be considering over here is adipic acid and paracetamol. We will also be discussing about the environmental impact of green chemistry on society. These are some of the references which we will be considering while preparing the playlist. Thank you.